Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn about how to run multiple containers or replicas from the same image. Usually you can call them as a worker nodes. Okay, for this I have created a sample Python file which will create logs every second. Okay, in my previous example also I have taken the same example. It will generate the logs, that's it. There is nothing fancy about this file. And I also created a Docker file which we can build image for this main.py file. Yeah, now let's go back. For create a replicas we need a Docker compose file. Let's create the Docker compose file. Docker compose file. Once you have the Docker compose file, let's go back to the editor, and first thing that you require is the version for the compose. Version is 3.3, and you need the services. You can have multiple services inside the Docker compose if you are pretty new to the Docker compose file. Here I need only one service, which I can call them as a worker nodes. I can call them as worker nodes. Sorry. Okay. And then I want to specify the build location, which is my Docker file. It's in the current location only, that's why I'm specifying the dot. And then if I want to give the image a name, I'm just giving, in this case actually, Python consumer image. You can give whatever you want. These are the worker nodes that will consume from some queue or something like that. You can have deploy. Inside the deploy you can have a replicas. You can specify how many replicas of the same image you require. For my case I need 3. I think that's it actually, you don't need anything else. Now go back to the terminal and run docker compose up and run it in the background. It will take some time to build and run those images. Yeah, they are running now. Let's print those docker -a and grep worker nodes. You can see they are all 3 containers are up and running here, and their IDs and everything is here. Let's copy one of the ID and see what logs that is printing. Docker logs, and you can see the logs that is printing, they are running perfectly fine. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.